I'm going to introduce the importance of this topic, then objective, explain the details, followed by results, summary and conclusion, and finally I will end my presentation by telling you the future scope of research. So let's begin. As we all know, the importance of nitrogen, as it plays a very important role in plant metabolism, as it is a constituent of plant chlorophyll, protoplasm protein, nucleic acid. So, conventional chemical fertilizer, particularly urea, rely upon farmers worldwide to meet the increasing demand of the food production. However, concerns offer environmental impacts have led to explore new alternative fertilization method. So here is the new method, that is use of nano-urea. So nano-urea is developed by the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperatives. Basically, the nano-urea is a liquid fertilizer characterized by nano particle size between 20 to 15 nanometer. It contains 4% total nitrogen, and these characteristics basically it good absorption of nutrients by the plant and reduces losses through leaching and emissions. So my experiment was carried out with the objectives. First, to assess the response of wheat to nano-urea on nitrogen uptake by wheat on non-saline and saline sodic soil. To study the effect of foliar application of nano-urea on yield and quality of wheat. And third objective, to study the economics of wheat. So this experiment was carried out on two different soil types. First, non-saline and saline sodic soil over two seasons, Rabi 2021 and Rabi 2022 at PG Research Farm, Department of Soil Science and Agricultural Chemistry, MPKV Rahuri. This experiment was laid out in a randomized block design with 8 treatments and 3 replications. The treatment comprised of treatment T1, first absolute control, treatment T2, GRDF 100% nitrogen through urea soil application plus 2 water sprays, treatment T3, 75% nitrogen through urea soil application plus 25% nitrogen through 2 foliar sprays of nano-urea, treatment T4, 50% nitrogen through urea soil application plus 50% nitrogen through 2 foliar sprays of nano-urea, treatment T5, 50% nitrogen through urea soil application plus 25 nitrogen through 2 foliar sprays of nano-urea, treatment T6, 25% nitrogen through urea soil application plus 75% nitrogen through 2 foliar sprays of nano-urea, treatment T7, that is 100% nitrogen through 4 foliar sprays of nano-urea, and last treatment, that is T8, 50% nitrogen through urea soil application plus 50% nitrogen through 4 foliar sprays of nano-urea. Please keep in mind vermicompost at the rate of 5 tons per hectare and P2O5 at the rate 60 kg per hectare and K2O at the rate 40 kg per hectare was applied common to treatment T2 to T8 treatments. 2 foliar sprays, first foliar spray at the rate 40% at 30 days after sowing, that means at tillering stage, and second dose of nano-urea 60% at 16 days after sowing at flowering stage, and 4 foliar spray at the rate 10%, 30%, 30%, 30% respectively. In case of result and discussion, we will discuss nitrogen uptake specially, then yield followed by quality and lastly economics. So regarding the effect of foliar application of nano-urea on nitrogen uptake kg per hectare by wheat crop under non-saline soil, the maximum total nitrogen uptake 93.49 kg per hectare was found in the treatment T3, that is 75% nitrogen through urea soil application plus 25% nitrogen through 2 foliar sprays of urea in case of non-saline soil. While in saline sodic soil, maximum total nitrogen uptake 84.85% Regarding the yield of the wheat crop under non-saline and saline fluidic soil, the treatment, the maximum grain yield, that is of translocation, which added in better photosynthetics and more dry water production. So this is the graphical representation in that you can clearly understand the treatment T2 and T3 regarding grain yield and strong found a little bit at par with each other. So the effect of foliar application, granulia and quality parameters of wheat crop, especially through nitrogen through 2 foliar space of granulia in non-saline soil, while in saline soil the maximum test rate 44.10%.